Hi friends, it's Miss Molly. I miss you guys so much and I wanted to make you guys our morning video. So today is April 1st. It is spring. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. Yesterday was Tuesday. So I miss you guys. I miss our circle time. So I'm going to try to do a little bit of circle time for us in our video today. So first I have our weather. So today, let's see, I'm in my greenhouse. I'm actually outside because it is really pretty, but it's cold. So I'm going to put one of my arrows on cold. And you know what? It's not very sunny, but there's a little bit, so it's partly cloudy. And because I'm inside my greenhouse, I can hear the wind. So I'm going to say it is, today it is cold, it's partly cloudy, and it's windy. It's not raining yet, but there's our weather for today. That's the weather for where I am. It's cold, windy, and partly cloudy. Alright, so first, let's do our numbers. Let me get them out of my bag. Alright, ready? Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job, friends. Next, I will do our colors. So let me get my new color cards. Alright. So first, I have red. So this is the color red. I have green. This is the color green. Then we have brown, blue. Can you guess what this one is? It's yellow. What about this one? This one is orange. What about this one? What color is the square? This square is white. So this color is white. And I know a lot of you guys like this one. What's this color? This is purple, because we love purple. What's this color? This is the color black. And then this one, here's pink. I hope you guys like my new color cards. Alright, so for this month of April and spring, we are talking about gardens. Gardens and plants. And so I have a few things, some bugs and a few animals. Since we are all at home, I wanted to share some animals and some bugs that we might see outside or in our garden whenever we're outside. And you guys can try to find these at your house. Alright, so first, I have an ant. Do you like ants? I don't like ants because ants like to get in and steal food. And they get everywhere. So if you look outside, I bet you guys can find some ants. And sometimes in the ground, you can find little ant holes. They're big, they look like little piles of dirt, and there's a bunch of ants coming out. What about these? We like these. They're really pretty. These are butterflies. A lot of times we can see butterflies landing on flowers. So butterflies are really pretty. I like butterflies. Well, this next one, we have a spider. Oh no, it's a spider. Spiders are cool. Spiders like to spin some webs. So maybe if you're lucky and you look really closely when you're outside, you can find a spider web. But don't touch it. Alright, next, and we will see these in the spring and in the summer because they love our flowers, the honeybees, or just the bees. The bees love to land on flowers, and they collect the pollen that comes from the flowers, and that's what they make our honey. They take the pollen home and they make us honey. I have seen these outside in the grass. They're eating the grass and they're just so cute. I have a rabbit. And since it's April, we have the rabbit coming soon. I know a lot of people do rabbit eggs. Some people don't, but some people do. And the rabbit will leave eggs for the kids. So, but there's a little rabbit. I love rabbits. I have rabbits at home. I like to go outside and see all the baby rabbits. Ooh, here's another one. I see these sometimes. They're really, really tiny. We have the snails. They're teeny, teeny, tiny. You almost can't see them because they're really small. And there's also, because sometimes I'll see the slugs, and they look like these snails without their shells, and they're really slow and slimy. Ooh, next we have the grasshopper. I hear grasshoppers outside at night. And then I have the ladybug. I love ladybugs. They're so pretty, and I love to see them. They're just flying around. And I saw one, and it blended in my friend's car. Because my friend had a red car, and the ladybug is red with black spots. I went to go take a picture of the ladybug, and she got scared. Ooh, next we have the caterpillar. I love caterpillars. They're so cute because they grow and they hatch in the trees, and then they eat the leaves. I think caterpillars are really cool. And when they get old enough, they turn into... Oh, where's my card? Can you guess what they turn into? Butterflies! The caterpillar turns into a butterfly. Let's see. I think that's all of the animals I have today. So, since we're talking about plants, I wanted to share my plants with you. So, think about what kind of plants that you can grow. We have flowers, and we also have fruits and vegetables. Let's see, in my greenhouse, I have, these are cabbages. These are going to grow into cabbages, and I can put them in my salad. Here's a new one I just got. It's called a cactus, and it's got these little prickles. This one is very cool, and I can tell you about him. What does his top look like? Can you guess what he is? This is a pineapple. These take 3 years to grow. And see, they just come out of the top, and it grows a pineapple. So this pineapple is only 1 year old. See? It's really neat. And then, let me see. In here, I just have a bunch of cactuses and succulents. Like, let me see. They're really pretty. I really love my plants. Oh, and over here, I have, these are onions. I am growing some onions so I can cook. Outside my greenhouse, I have tomatoes and strawberries. Do you like strawberries? I love strawberries, and I love tomatoes. Let's see. So, all of these plants come from seeds. So here in this little bag, I have some seeds. This is just grass. We're going to use this later for an experiment, an arts and craft project in class. Or online. But it's going to be lots of fun. So I have these, and I'm going to make us some little friends. They're going to be really cool. And my flowers, they come from seeds, but sometimes they come from bulbs. These are what bulbs look like. Some are big, some are small, some are really tiny. But these are the bulbs for these flowers that I got. They're really pretty, and I'm very excited to grow them. And so all of our stuff, all of my plants, they grow in dirt. Here, I have a bag of dirt. I have a lot of dirt, and I just got dirt all over my computer. But it's dirt or soil. Oh, it's sunny. But so one day, just like in my little seed book, we are going to put a silly face on our cup. We're going to put some dirt in, and we're going to put some seeds in it, and we're going to watch our seeds grow and grow and grow. And then, with our silly face, it's going to have silly hair. We're going to have a little character. It's going to have silly hair, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Alright, you guys want to see? Let me show you my tomatoes and my strawberries. So over here, I have my strawberry plants. See? And let me show you. So my strawberry plants are up here, and inside this box is the dirt. And I have to water them every day because our plants need water to grow. And here are my tomato plants, my little tomato plants. So these are all my plants. And we're going to go back inside the greenhouse because it is cold outside today. Alright, so let's go over one more time about the stuff that we can grow. So we can grow, I really like this picture, it's really cool. So one thing that I love to grow, and I'm sure you guys find a lot, are flowers. So we can grow flowers, we can cut flowers, and we can make them look pretty. We can color these. So hopefully we'll get to color some flowers one day. Alright, we're going to name some stuff that we can plant in our garden with Ellie the elephant. So this is my friend, Ellie the elephant, and they are trying to plant a garden. So let's see. This is what all they want to plant. They want carrots, lettuce, corn, sweet potatoes, cucumbers, peppers, pumpkins, tomatoes, blackberries, and strawberries. So let's see. These are vegetables, and peppers and pumpkins are vegetables, and so are the blackberries and the strawberries. Those are fruit. I like fruit and vegetables. Can you guys name all of these? Can you guys, let's see, what is this one? Can we guess what this one is? This is a potato. So this one's a potato. What about this one? This one is a tomato. So you have a potato and a tomato, and then we have broccoli, peppers. I think this one's an eggplant. I think that's what might this one be. It's an eggplant, or it's a squash, or a zucchini. But we're going to go with eggplant. Down here we have our fruit. These are our fruit. So we have pears, peaches, apples, and grapes. Good job, friends. Alright, that's all I have for you for our morning video. Make sure you check the next video because I'm going to be reading a book. Alright, friends, goodbye. I miss you guys.